Today I'm going to show you how to open your slide out kitchen on the side of your Lumberjack camper trailer. 2 compression locks will open your side hatch, followed by a travel safety lock. Then depressing the blue lever, the kitchen will just slide out nice and smoothly. Once it's extended all the way, underneath you'll have 2 support legs. The legs will come down by undoing the wing nut, supporting the kitchen up a little bit with one hand. Do the wing nuts back up. Connecting the kitchen up for water and gas is done quite easily. Behind your stove you have a gas line with a gas bayonet fitting on it. That just plugs into the back of the trailer. Underneath your sink you also have your water line, and that's via an air compressor fitting at the back as well. At the end, you have a slide out servery area. Wind guards support the lid on the stove. That's a 4-burner gas cooktop with electric ignite. Storage bins at the back, 2 storage drawers at the front, and a tea towel rack.